Tonight we are at the Festival of Lights at Bull Run Regional Park.
Pretty!
Yeah? Yes, Mommy.
To fully appreciate the holiday lights, you must experience it with a full carload of children. They add the oohs and the ahs as they see the lights, along with an occasional, "my brother's touching me."
Mommy, yeah.
I know, I see it.
House.
Isn't that neat looking? It's not a creepy house.
It's a huge house.
It's pretty cool looking.
When your child has an illness or injury. Selection ever for women, men, and kids. And it's all 50% off. This is the sale everyone looks for. Brand name
There's a
like
house
Cry,
like
Hunter, Uggs, Merrill, Johnston, and Murphy, and more.
Cookie Man is a gingerbread.
It's supposed to be a gingerbread man, but you're right, it's a cookie man.
Saxon, shoe shopping the
Cookie
way it should
man.
How could you tell that that wasn't clean?
be.
I heard it. Three points a lot worse.
Snake with a Santa hat. Oh, no fishing over here in the pond.
They're so hungry they're jumping out.
Alright, look at the squirrel up here in the blue trees.
Mommy, we're gonna be getting up on some trees.
I see that. And it's pretty wild looking, isn't it? It's supposed to look like it's snowing. Oh, it's snowing. Oh, it's snowing. You don't want to go into the toy land? Might be something kind of cool.
See the train cars.
It's supposed to be the yellow brick road. Disney Castle. Not quite, but it's the Wicked Witch of the West. Is what that is. Of the West.
Look up here. There's, I think it's a sleigh. Here. We're back at the amusement park.
Yes. None of that's included in the price. All that'll be extra.
It is.
I'm sure it is. And we can check it out, but
If it's not extra, can we do it? I'm not done. You're not done? You better go sit down
it's
then.
going to be
You're not
extra.
done.
Corwin.
How do you know?
That's how those things work. It's too cold to ride rides, Corwin. You guys would freeze.
Just think, Mommy wanted to go to Hershey Park.
Yeah. Well, Grandma wants to go every year. My mom's birthday's December 29th,
She celebrated her birthday in July.
and she always wants to go to Hershey Park, but every year it's like, it's raining, it's snowing, there's going to be an ice storm, it's freezing, it's windy, whatever, and we never make it.
That's actually what a guy at work does. His birthday is worse. It's like the 23rd or 27th. It's 2 days before or after.
Gotcha.
But he said he celebrates his birthday in July.
He celebrates in July.
Yeah, he says my birthday, I'll celebrate it when I want to.
Oh, that's true. There's the 12 days of Christmas, Corwin. 12 days of Christmas right here. Wow, I wonder who makes all these. So our favorite place to vacation is Hawaii, so.
I've never been
We've been there
Hi, Santa Claus.
quite a few
Okay,
times.
let's go. We not going there. We not. But this will probably lead us into the Mommy, this is... Mommy, we...
Tips and suggestions based on our experience. You may want to tune your radio to a holiday music station or something kind of upbeat. Make sure your car windows work. As we pulled in to pay, one of our windows got stuck down and it was a very, very cold night. Luckily, we got the window back up. So make sure your windows work. Keep distance between you and the car in front of you. This will keep you from being blinded by the brake lights of the car ahead of you. And finally, take extra cash for the holiday village at the end. For us, it was very, very cold, so you may want to select an evening that is not as cold. They do have campfires, but it was so cold that the campfire would not have kept us warm very long. So we did the holiday village walkthrough very quickly and then got back into our warm car. From our families to yours, a very, very warm hug, and we will see you on the next escapade.